Hello everyone, and welcome. You found your way to the channel lecture for sleep. It's time to let the day fade away, to quiet your mind, and to find a place of deep rest. Get comfortable, close your eyes if you wish, and just listen to the sound of my voice. Tonight we're going on a walk, a very special kind of walk. We're going to explore an abandoned path. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of an old, forgotten woodland. The air here is cool and smells of damp earth, moss, and the sweet scent of decaying leaves. It's the smell of time itself. Before you, a narrow path disappears into the trees. It's barely visible, almost swallowed by nature, but it's there, waiting. Let's take our first step onto this path. The ground is soft beneath your feet, a thick carpet of moss and fallen pine needles cushioning your every move. You don't need to worry about where you're going, just trust the path. The trees on either side are ancient and wise. Their branches form a high vaulted ceiling above us, filtering the last light of the day into soft, dappled patterns on the forest floor. It feels like stepping into a natural cathedral, a place of peace and solitude. As we walk deeper, the sounds of the outside world begin to fade. The hum of traffic, the distant sirens, the chatter of daily life. It all dissolves, replaced by the gentle symphony of the woods. Listen closely. Can you hear the whisper of the wind rustling through the leaves? It sounds like the forest is breathing, a slow, steady rhythm that matches your own. A lone bird calls out, its song echoing through the stillness. It's a peaceful, melodic sound that reassures you that you are safe here. The path is uneven in places. Here and there, a gnarled root has pushed its way through the earth, creating a natural step. You navigate it with ease, your body feeling light and relaxed. You notice the small details around you. A patch of vibrant green ferns unfurling in the shade. A cluster of tiny white mushrooms growing on the side of a fallen log. A snail moving with unhurried grace across a damp stone. Everything here moves at its own pace, a slow, deliberate dance of life. There is no rush, no urgency. We come to a small clearing where the trees part just enough to see the sky. The sun has set, and the sky is a deep velvety indigo dotted with the first twinkling stars. You pause for a moment, tilting your head back to take it all in. The vastness of the universe above is both humbling and comforting. It reminds you that your worries are small in the grand scheme of things. You feel a sense of connection to everything around you. The earth, the trees, the stars. Continuing on, the path begins to follow the sound of water. At first, it's just a faint murmur, but it grows steadily louder as we approach. Soon we see it, a small, clear stream meandering through the woods. The path leads us to a low stone bridge, covered in a soft blanket of moss. The stones are worn smooth by time and weather. We stop in the middle of the bridge, leaning against the cool stone to watch the water flow beneath us. The water glides over smooth gray pebbles, creating gentle ripples that catch the starlight. The sound is incredibly soothing, a constant, gentle gurgle that washes away any remaining tension in your mind and body. You can feel the coolness of the water in the air. Imagine dipping your hand into the stream, the water feeling silky and cold against your skin, cleansing and refreshing. You are completely present in this moment, your mind clear and calm. The path on the other side of the bridge is even more overgrown. It seems fewer have traveled this far. Wildflowers have claimed the edges of the path, their delicate petals closed for the night. You can smell their faint, sweet fragrance in the air. You brush past a low-hanging branch and a few drops of dew fall onto your arm. Cool and surprising. It makes you smile. This place is alive, even in the deep quiet of the night. You feel a gentle drowsiness beginning to settle over you. Your eyelids feel heavy, your limbs relaxed and warm. Each step on this soft path takes you deeper into a state of tranquility. The air is still and quiet. Even the birds have fallen silent now. The only sounds are your soft footsteps, the whisper of the leaves, and the distant murmur of the stream we left behind. It's a lullaby composed by nature, just for you. Ahead, the path opens into a final small clearing. In the center stands a single enormous oak tree. Its branches are wide and sprawling like welcoming arms. The ground beneath it is a perfect circle of soft grass. This feels like the heart of the forest, a place of immense peace and ancient energy. This is where our walk ends for tonight. You find a comfortable spot to rest at the base of the great oak, leaning back against its sturdy, rough bark. You feel supported and secure. You look up through the branches and see the stars shining brightly through the leaves. You take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs with the clean forest air. And as you breathe out, you let go of everything. You let go of the day. You let go of your thoughts. You let go of all effort. There is nothing left to do now but rest. The abandoned path has led you here to this place of perfect peace. You are safe. You are comfortable. You are ready for sleep. Allow the gentle sounds of the forest to guide you into your dreams. Allow the feeling of deep relaxation to envelop you completely. Sleep now. Rest deeply. Good night.